Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Discover with Kim. I am Kim and I'm so excited you're here with me today. Welcome to another nature vlog. This week's nature vlog is a recap of all of my summer hikes that I went on this past summer. With the changing into the season of falls, I thought it would be fun to look back on all the hikes I went on to kind of gather them all together. It's going to be a quick video, just a quick little recap of my favorite parts of each hike and what I thought were some of the most beautiful views. I'd love to hear about your guys' summer adventures down in the comments below. Let me know what kind of hikes and adventures you got up to and what you're planning for fall. I'm really excited to go on all the nature adventures as the season changes, the leaves change, and the weather changes, and everything becomes so transformational here in Ohio. Let's get right into the video and let's watch my summer hikes in review.